Building an AMD Ryzen PC in 2026? Don't waste hundreds of dollars on the wrong motherboard. With X870E, X870, B850, and older B650 boards all competing for your money, choosing the right AM5 motherboard is more confusing than ever. Some boards are packed with premium features you'll never use, while others deliver incredible value and performance for a fraction of the price. In this video, we're counting down the 5 best AM5 motherboards you can buy in 2026, from the ultimate flagship for Ryzen 9 power users to the best value options for gamers and content creators. We'll compare VRM quality, PCIe 5.0 support, DDR5 memory compatibility, Wi-Fi 7, USB 4 connectivity, BIOS experience, upgrade potential, and of course, overall value, so you know exactly which motherboard deserves your money. Whether you're building around a Ryzen 7 9800X 3D, Ryzen 9 9950X, or planning a future AM5 upgrade, this list has the perfect motherboard for your budget. So make sure you watch until the end, because our number 1 pick offers the best combination of performance, features, and long-term value, and it might not be the motherboard you expect. Let's get started. Starting at number 5. GIGABYTE X870 AORUS Master. Starting off our list is the GIGABYTE X870 AORUS Master, a premium AM5 motherboard that's built for enthusiasts who want top-tier performance, next-generation connectivity, and excellent long-term reliability. Powered by AMD's flagship X870E chipset, this ATX motherboard fully supports the latest Ryzen AM5 processors and is ready for high-end gaming, content creation, and demanding workstation tasks. One of its biggest strengths is its robust power delivery system, making it an excellent choice for high core count Ryzen CPUs and overclocking. It also features DDR5 memory support for blazing fast performance, along with 4 M.2 slots, including PCIe 5.0 storage support, giving you plenty of room for ultra-fast NVMe SSDs. For graphics, you get PCIe 5.0 support, ensuring compatibility with today's fastest GPUs and those arriving in the future. Connectivity is equally impressive thanks to USB 4, built-in Wi-Fi 7, and a high-speed 5 gigabit Ethernet port for ultra-fast wired networking. And number 4. ASUS TUF Gaming X870 Plus Wi-Fi. Coming in at number 4 is the ASUS TUF Gaming X870 Plus Wi-Fi, a motherboard that strikes an excellent balance between premium features, rock-solid durability, and outstanding value for gamers and PC enthusiasts. Built on AMD's latest X870 chipset, this ATX motherboard is fully compatible with Ryzen AM5 processors and is designed to handle everything from competitive gaming to demanding productivity workloads. Powering the board is a robust 16+2+1 power stage design with 80 amp smart power stages, delivering stable and efficient power for even high-end Ryzen CPUs. Whether you're gaming for hours or pushing your processor with demanding applications, this motherboard is built to stay cool and reliable. Memory support includes the latest DDR5 RAM, while PCIe 5.0 readiness ensures you'll be ready for next-generation graphics cards and ultra-fast NVMe SSDs. Storage won't be an issue either, thanks to 4 M.2 slots, giving you plenty of room for expanding your game library and creative projects. And number 3. GIGABYTE Z790 AORUS Elite X. Kicking off our list is the GIGABYTE Z790 AORUS Elite AX, a high-performance motherboard designed for gamers, creators, and PC enthusiasts looking to get the most out of Intel's 14th, 13th, and 12th generation core processors. Built around the Intel Z790 chipset and the LGA 1700 socket, this ATX motherboard offers an excellent combination of performance, reliability, and next-generation features at a competitive price. One of its biggest highlights is the powerful 16+1+2 digital power phase design, delivering clean and stable power that's more than capable of handling flagship Intel CPUs, even during heavy workloads or overclocking sessions. For memory, the board supports high-speed DDR5 RAM, helping maximize gaming performance and multitasking efficiency. Storage is equally impressive, with 4 M.2 slots for ultra-fast NVMe SSDs, while PCIe 5.0 support ensures compatibility with the latest graphics cards and future hardware upgrades. And number 2. ASUS ROG Strix X870E Gaming Wi-Fi. If you're looking for one of the most feature-packed AM5 motherboards available in 2026, the ASUS ROG Strix X870E Gaming Wi-Fi deserves to be at the top of your list. Designed for serious gamers, creators, and PC enthusiasts, this motherboard delivers flagship-level performance, cutting-edge connectivity, and excellent future-proofing for AMD's latest Ryzen processors. At the heart of the board is AMD's premium X870E chipset, paired with a powerful 18+2+2 power stage VRM. This robust power delivery system easily handles high-end Ryzen processors, including the Ryzen 9 series, while providing exceptional stability during heavy gaming, rendering, and overclocking. One of the biggest highlights is ASUS's intelligent performance optimization. Features like Dynamic OC Switcher, Core Flex, and AI overclocking work together to maximize CPU performance by automatically balancing clock speeds, voltage, and temperatures. Whether you're an experienced overclocker or a first-time builder, these tools help extract more performance with minimal effort. And number 1. ASRock X870 Steel Legend Wi-Fi 7. Next up is the ASRock X870 Steel Legend Wi-Fi 7, a feature-rich AM5 motherboard that delivers an excellent balance of performance, durability, and value. Designed for gamers, creators, and PC enthusiasts, it combines premium features with a distinctive white and silver aesthetic, making it an ideal choice for high-performance builds. Built around AMD's latest X870 chipset, this ATX motherboard fully supports the newest Ryzen AM5 processors and provides a solid foundation for both gaming and productivity systems. Whether you're upgrading your current PC or building a brand new rig, the Steel Legend is ready to handle demanding workloads with ease. Memory support is one of its biggest strengths. With support for DDR5 memory speeds up to 8000 MHz and a maximum capacity of 256 GB.